Hiya everybody, we have a blue and green pen blank here that I'm going to test out, and we will see what sort of shape this is going to be. This is one that I'm probably going to do as a Thanksgiving giveaway on my group. So that's Pixies Productions 5D Diamond Painting Group. Make sure you've joined to be in for a chance to win. Starting on the 25th and it'll be finishing on the 29th. It'll probably be announced at 2 o'clock. So let's begin and see what we get. So now that we've got the pen blank that was a square into a full cylinder, I have made some markings on here for the design. What I'm thinking is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 sections on it, and if you keep watching you'll find out what shape we're going for. So do you like this pen blank? Drop a comment below and let me know, and we will carry on turning. So here is the Thanksgiving pen. It's finally got its shape. Now to sand it down to make it all smooth, and then micro mesh it to make the shine pop. So I hope you like this shape. Let me know in the comments if you do. And let's begin the sanding process.
So this is the final shape of the pen, and this will be for Thanksgiving. I hope you enjoyed the process, and if you like the pen, please comment and let me know. I'd appreciate that. Thanks for watching till the end.